Hi WordPress users, welcome to our channel. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to redirect users to a specific page after they log into your WordPress website? There are lots of solutions, but we will discuss about fastest ways to redirect user after login. First, open your WordPress website and go to Plugins. Click Add New and search for AutomatorWP plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, go to AutomatorWP in the WordPress dashboard and create Add New Automation. In the workflow, choose the trigger that will initiate the redirect. Now write a title and choose the trigger that will initiate the redirect. For example, if you want to redirect users when they visit a specific page, choose User Login to the site as the trigger. Next, choose the action that will redirect the user. For this, you can choose Redirect to URL and enter the URL where you want to redirect the user. Save the automation and test it to make sure it's working as expected. So, you can see users are successfully redirected to my account page. Alternatively, you can also use code to redirect users in WordPress. Here's how. Open the functions.php file of your WordPress theme. For this, you need to install Code Snippets plugin. Now create a new snippet and give title and paste the code in the snippets. Next, you need to change the URL with your page. Now check Only Run in Administration area. Save and activate your snippet. That's it, you have successfully redirect users to specific page without plugin. So, hope you have achieved some valuable information. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more valuable tutorials.